Welcome back to the adventure. Today we're making an installation CD for Windows 3X, because I'm tired of mounting floppy disk images. So I'm testing different versions of Windows 3X on MS-DOS 8, and after a while I just don't want to insert the next disk when it prompts for it. So it hit me. Why not just extract all the floppy disk images to a folder and turn that into a CD image that I can use instead? So that's what I did. One at a time, I extracted the contents of each floppy disk image to a folder on the desktop that I could drag and drop into PowerISO. Then it occurred to me that I should make the disk bootable so I don't have to fiddle with a separate boot disk. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? Then I think, great, I can drag and drop the folder into PowerISO. Right as the files finish adding to the image, I thought to myself, you're going to need to install other versions of Windows 3X at some point. So I went to work extracting files from floppy disk images for the other versions of Windows 3X, and added that to the image. After that, I considered I would need to navigate the directory structure of the image to choose which version of Windows 3X I wanted to install. Man, I was just full of ideas. Anyway, I went to work writing a batch file menu that would let me choose which version I wanted to install. Added that to the image and tested installing Windows. No prompts to change floppy disks. Fantastic. Then it popped into my head that the disk image may be worth sharing, so I uploaded a copy to archive.org. Thanks for stopping by. See you next video.